at the beginning of the beginning or at the end of the word. Everybody having books? Affix is a word or a part of the word added at the beginning or end of the word, thus forming a new word. Means the affix is which is the word which is adding at the beginning or the end of the word. Okay. What is the prefix now? Suffix now? The part added at the beginning is called a prefix. Okay. See children, how many types are there? Which are they? Prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. But what is the affix? Both together called affix. Now let me say that prefix and suffix. Is it clear? Yes. Both are called affix. So many students not knowing that means this is what is affix, what is a prefix and what is suffix. Both are prefix and affix are called affix. Affix is the meaning what it is. The word which is adding the starting or a end is called an affix. Means both are together. Prefix is adding starting and suffix is adding at the end of the word. Right? Next one. What is the example here? An affix is okay. First of all, it is affix means definition we have written. In the affix two parts are there. Which are there? The part added at the beginning of first of all we will go to the prefix and suffix. What is the prefix and suffix definition? The part added at the beginning of the beginning is called prefix. What about suffix? The part added at the end is called suffix. The part added at the end is called suffix. So now we'll go to the examples. What are the examples? First of all, one more paragraph it is there. See that a prefix is a syllable or a part of the word or a word itself that is placed before a word to form another word. When a word is prefixed, the word class does not generally change, but the meaning changes. When the prefix, this is the syllable or a part of a word itself is placed before the word. Prefix is adding before the word. The word class is not changing, but meaning is changing when we are adding the prefix. Understand? Yes. So what is that? Example? For example, say now. Antisocial. Prefix number 1 and number 2. We are example of number 1. Anti-social. Actually social. What is that? Actually this is the word is main word is social. We have to add that means starting that we call it a prefix. What is that? Anti-social. Next one. Recount. What I am doing here? Prefix. What it is? Prefix. Next one. Recount. Actually the word is count. So we are adding the recount. Okay. Next third one. Discourage. What is the exact word? We have to add the prefix. Discourage. Next number 4. Irregular. The word is regular. But we are adding that irregular. That is, these are called a prefix. Next one, necessary. Unnecessary. These are the words which are adding to the starting point of the word. It is called a prefix. What is suffix? But the word class is not changing. But meaning is changing. Social, it is social. Antisocial means against of the opposite meaning here. Antisocial means against of the social. Now count is not positive. That is the recount is. Again we are doing the recounting. That means doing the word. So the meaning is changing. Courage. Courage is means always it is very courageous. And opposite word is discouraged. What it is? Regular. Irregular. Coming to school regular. but she is coming, not coming. She is irregular to the school. Regular. She is regular to the school. He is irregular to the school. Opposite that. So word is not changing. Word class is not changing. But what it is changing? Meaning is changing. What about suffix? Suffix is a syllable or a part of the word. The word itself that is placed at the end of the word. Suffix is using at the end of the word. Okay? To form another word. In that case, suffixing the word class may change entirely along with the changing of the meaning. Here the word class also changing and meaning also changing in the suffix. Understand what I am saying? In the prefix only the word class is not changing, meaning is changing. What about that suffix? Word class and meaning both are changing. Let us see what are they. Taste. The word is giving the taste. So, end of the word we have to use tasteful. Full. Taste and tasteful. Next one. Shame. The word is shame. Less is added at the end of the word. Shame. Next one. Celebration. Exact word. Celebrate.
Yes.
Celebrate.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Develop. Next what?
Development.
What is the added? Development. Now any students can say what is the difference between prefix and suffix? The word which are added to the, come on, everybody say. The word which is added.
The word which is added to the beginning is called prefix, and the word which is added to the last is called suffix.
What is the difference again? Explanation.
In prefix only the word changes, and in suffix the meaning also is changed.
The word is changes. The word class will be the same. Meaning is changing. Here, word class as well as the meaning both are changing in the suffix. Okay. Next one. Write the root word after dropping the prefix or suffix or both. Here, enable. What is that enable here? Whether it is a prefix or a suffix?
Prefix.
The word which is adding to the starting word to the root word, that is called a prefix. So root word. What is the root word here? Given word. Enable. Next one. Heavily. Come on, say. Heavy. Next. Determination. Determine. But you have to find out now what it is. Now you tell me. Heavily. Whether it is a prefix, root one is heavy, right? Whether it is now, the given is heavily, prefix or suffix? Suffix, why? The L is added at the end of the word, that we call it suffix. Determination, determine. A-D-I-N. Suffix or prefix?
Suffix.
Number 4. Endurance. Come on, say now. Endure. Come on, say now. This is the root word is endure. A and C we are adding at the end of the
Suffix.
sentence. So suffix. Next one. Unimpressed. Which one it is? Root word.
Impressed.
Impressed. Next. Whether it is suffix or affix. Prefix. Because the sentence starting that we have had. Next. Relationship. Now I will ask the personally, what is the root word? Come on, stand up and say what is the root word? Relation. Whether it is a suffix or a affix. Sorry, prefix or a suffix. Why? Explanation. Why suffix? Because the word which is such a ship is added at the end of the word, root word. That's why this is called a suffix. Next one, children, post. Inseparably separable. Empathetic, empathy root word, and empathetic. So what is the words which are that means given prefix or suffix? Empathetic. Empathy is root card. Empathetic, TIC adding the end of the word. That's why suffix. Next one, beautiful, beauty. Yesterday we discussed that beauty is the root cause and beautiful is the root word. Beautiful, FUL added in at the end of the word. That's why
Suffix.
next one, simplicity.
Simple.
Simple. Simplicity. Come on, say now simple and simplicity. Now simple and right. Simplicity. Now root word is simple. Okay. Now what is added here? At the end or at the end? At the starting or end of the word? Huh? Then what is added? City is added. Why? Whether it is a prefix or suffix? Suffix, is it correct?
Yes.
Sit down. Next one, fifth exercise 5D it is given from the textbook only. Write 5 words each containing the following suffixes. What are they? Full, FUL full. FUL full. Write 5 words in full. We have to use full. 5 words. Come on, say. Helpful. Rightful. Wonderful. Hopeful. Meaningful. And painful. Okay. Next. Number 1. Number 2. ly. By adding ly. Come on, say now.
Slowly.
Daily. Slowly.
Sweetly.
Unkindly. Kindly. Okay, next.
Proudly.
Proudly.
Loudly.
Okay, next. Loudly. Okay, next one, third. Achievement. By development. Achievement.
Payment.
Yes, attachment. Development, etc. Next. ION. I. What? Tension. I'll write now.
Celebration.
ION.
Association.
More words, more, whatever given, don't say that. More words.
Presentation.
More words. Less. Don't see the book, say now. Careless. Helpless. Kindness. Kind and kindness. Colorless. Take word about. We got one word from that fellow from last only, right? Next one. Careless. Okay. Next. Brainless. Blindness. Okay, next. Speechless. Shameless. Homeless. Okay. Next 5, write 5 words each containing the following prefixes. First of all, suffix is that one. Now it is a prefix. So UN we have to use. Prefix, what is the definition? Come on, read the part. Called prefix. Once again repeat, the part added at the beginning is called prefix. So example, what it is?
Unknown.
UN.
Unnecessary. Uncomfortable. Unnecessary.
Untouchable. Okay, next. Uncountable. Next. Anybody? Say.
Unemployed.
Unemployed. Okay.
Unknown.
Understand? Understand? No. There is a understand. What is the real word? Unemployed. Already said. Next. Unconscious. Right? Next.
Unknown.
Unknown. Okay. Noun unknown. Huh?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Okay. Next.
Unusual.
Unfortunate.
Unusual. Unusual. Okay.
Unnecessary.
Unusual, unusual. Unpopular. Unpopular. Okay. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Okay. Come on, use the mind. Think. Next. This. T-I-S. The word that you have to use.
Discomfort. Discomfort. Discomfort.
Discomfort.
Dissatisfied.
Disqualified. One by one I'll ask. Come on. Anybody? Raise the hands now. Say.
Dislike.
Dislike. Okay. Discourage. Okay.
Disobedient.
Disobedient. Next.
Dissatisfied.
Satisfied. Unsatisfied. Not a dissatisfied. Next. Satisfied, unsatisfied, not a dissatisfied. Next. Disqualified. Is it correct? Unqualified or disqualified?
Disqualified.
Right. Next. Distress. Okay. Next. Unplacement or displacement? I'm using the correct or incorrect word that you have to find out. Next.
Discount.
Count, discount. Okay. Next. Join, disjoint. It is a color, discolor. Okay. Next word. Now we will go next word. En. Come on. One by one. Encourage. Enjoy. Is
Indirect.
enjoy, joy and enjoy. Okay. Next. Raise the hands and say.
Endangered.
Stand up and say.
Endangered.
Danger and danger. Next. Short in short. Right? Next. Okay. I am. We will use the I am.
Impossible. Improper.
Improper. Take it next one. Just take it. Possible. Impossible.
Infinite.
Next. Use your own mind now.
Infinite.
Say. Stand up and say. Potent, impotent. Moral, immoral. Mortal. Mortal meaning. You know that? Already I said while the explanation sometime. Mortal, immortal. I said that. Mortal means what?
Mortal means a person who can die. Any
Who
mortal,
died?
And immortal means the person who never die.
The never die. The thing. Yeah, that is called an immortal. Mortal and immortal. Okay. Next. Make a list of at least 10 words whose opposites are formed by adding prefix and suffix. Fear. Fearless. Shame. That means make a list of at least 10 words. What is that? 10 words are formed by adding prefix and suffix you can use. But in here what I will use? Prefix or a suffix. Next, number 1. Fear I said. Come on. Fearless. What is that? Prefix and suffix. Suffix. Next one. Care. What is that? Suffix. Next. Patient. What is that word? Prefix and suffix. Which one? Because using the I am. Next one. Satisfy. Why? Satisfy. Dissatisfy. Which one? Suffix or Okay. And now worthless. Worthless. Less is added. Suffix or prefix? Suffix. Patient. Impatient. Congruent. Incongruent. In started the word which is started to the starting. Reversible. Irreversible. IR is used that means starting sentence. Beaten. Unbeaten. Okay, next one. Items and phrases it is. Once again, we will repeat the children. I'll ask. So, definition of prefix and suffix.
The part added at the beginning of the word is called prefix, and the part added at the end of the word is called suffix.
What is affix?
The affix is a word or a part of a word which is added at the end or at the beginning.
Is called
Affix.
Sit down. 3. Can you say that? Affix, prefix and suffix. Can you say?
Ma'am, affix means affix is a word or a part of a word which is added in the beginning or end of a word is known as affix. And in affix there are again two parts, that is prefix and suffix. So prefix means the word which is added at the beginning, and in prefix only the word class is not changing, only its meaning is changing. And in suffix the word which is added at the end, and in suffix both will change, that is word class will also change and its meaning is also changed.
Okay, very good. Next, anybody? Can you say? Say loudly. What is affix? Means actually first definition of affix.
Yes, ma'am. Affix is a word which is added at the beginning of a word or at the ending of the word. It is known as affix. In affix there are two types, prefix and suffix. At the beginning of a word or the syllable of a word which is added at the beginning of the word is known as prefix. In this, the word class will be the same and the meaning will be the changing or meaning will be the change. In suffix, the word is added at the end of the word. In this, the word class and the meaning will be the change.
Word class and meaning will be changed in the suffix. Okay. Next, any students? First of all, I want the affix. What is the explanation of affix? Then you have to classify the affix, that means two types, then definition, then what is changing that you will make.
Affix. Affix is a word or a part of word which added at the beginning or at the end is called the affix. And affix containing two parts, which is called the prefix and suffix. Prefix is the word that is added in the beginning, and in the prefix the word class is changing, but the meaning is changing, but the word class is not changing. And in suffix, the suffix is a part which added at the end, and in the suffix
Both the word class
the
and-
word class and the meaning is changing.
Meaning is a change. Any girls or boys taking that? Backside. Say. What is affix?
Affix the word or part of the word which is added at the beginning or at the ending is called affix. It contains two parts, affix and suffix. The word which is added at the beginning is called prefix, and which is added at the ending is called suffix. In the prefix, word class will not change, only meaning will be changed. In
Suffix.
word class
And meaning. Word class and meaning both are changing in the suffix. Okay, sit down.